Good morning, dear students. Let's start probability. Students, this is lecture 3rd, and in the previous session I have explained you all the basic concepts of the probability. If you want to recall that, then you can watch the previous videos. So students, in this session we will discuss about exercise 15.1. Here we have question number 3rd. In a particular section of class 9th, 40 students were asked about the months of their birth, and the following graph was prepared for the data so obtained. Find the probability that a student of the class was born in August. Students, एक सेक्शन है, पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन है क्लास 9th का, and that have 40 students, and 40 students were asked about the months of their birth. Okay, and we have prepared here a graph so obtained. तो हमें probability find करनी है if a student of the class was born in the month of August. So students, you can see here the graph. This is the histogram, है ना? Then now students, here is the solution. Number of students born in the month of August are 6. You can see from the graph. Here you can notice that in the month of August, here it is parallel to the 6th number. So in this way we get number of students born in the month of August are 6 and total number of students are 40. And we know that what is the formula of probability? Probability students born in the month of August is number of students born in August divided by total number of students. And students, we know that number of students who born in August are 6 and total number are 40. In this way we get the probability as 3/20. So now students, move to the next question. Here we have question number 4. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of different outcomes. Students, हमने 3 coins को toss किया. You can see here the picture. Suppose we take these 3 coins and tossed simultaneously 200 times. हमने एक साथ 3 coins को toss किया और कितनी time toss किया? 200 times. और हमारे पास उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है जो हमने रिकॉर्ड किया है. हेयर इज़ द आउटकम. आउटकम क्या आ सकती है? पॉसिबल है कि 3 heads ऑकर हो जाए, है ना? एंड देयर इज़ नेक्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 2 heads, 1 head and no head. बट स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व हेयर दैट 3 heads comes 23 times. This is the frequency. What do you mean by frequency? स्टूडेंट, हम किसी भी काम को कितना टाइम रिपीट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ द फ्रीक्वेंसी. So students, getting 2 heads that appeared 72 times and getting 1 head that appeared 77 times. Similarly, getting no head, that means all tail occurred. So that will happen in 28 times. At 28 times. If the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. So students, अगर हम 3 coins को एक साथ फिर से toss करते हैं, then compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. हमें यहाँ पर 2 heads coming up की probability find करनी है. Total number of times the coins were tossed are 200. So students, number of times 2 heads comes up are 72. You can see from the table. We need to find the probability. That's really very easy. So students, number of times हमें occur 72 times किया है 2 heads. Then 72 will be written in the numerator and 200 will be in the denominator. So in this way we get answer 9/25. Now students, here we have question number 5. An organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table below. You can see the table. Students, एक organization है, उन्होंने 2400 families को select किया randomly and उन पर survey किया गया. क्या find करने के लिए कि उनकी monthly income level क्या है और number of vehicles कितने हैं family में. The information gathered is listed in the table below. You can see the table. Monthly income in rupees less than 7,000. 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13 and 13 to 16,000, 16,000 or more. Vehicles per family are 0, 1, 2 and above 2. So students, you can see here that less than 7,000 monthly income getting 10 and 1 vehicle per family, 2 vehicle per family, ऐसी कितनी families हैं? ओके, ज़ीरो मीन्स कि फैमिली के पास कोई भी व्हीकल नहीं है. दैट मीन्स देयर आर 10 families and families that have one vehicle, that are 160, and families have two vehicles, that these type of families are 25, and above 2 having no family, that is 0. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने ये जो डाटा इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर की है, यू कैन सी हियर. Suppose a family is chosen, find the probability that family chosen is learning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month owing exactly two vehicles. आप देख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, हमें सेलेक्ट करना है 10,000 to 13,000 अर्निंग पर मंथ एंड owing exactly two vehicles. अगर सपोज स्टूडेंट्स टू व्हीकल्स अगर एग्जैक्टली वो अर्न करते हैं, दैट मीन्स that family owing exactly two vehicles, and you can see here from the graph that 10,000 to 13,000 monthly income having two vehicles, and these are 29 in numbers. So students, let's have the solution here. You can see number of total families surveyed are total 2400, and number of families earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month owing exactly two vehicles are 29. You can see from the table, and hence the required probability is 29 over 2400. This is the answer. Now students, here we have the second part. Second part is earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. Students, you can see from the table that earning 16,000 or more, that is the last row, and owning exactly one vehicle. That family have exactly precisely one vehicle, and these are 579 in numbers. So let's have the solution. Number of total families are 2400 and exactly one vehicle that have family, and that these are 579 in numbers. So required probability is 579 over 2400. Now students, this is the last part of this one. Third part is earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. So students, you can observe from the table, less than rupees 7,000 is the first one and does not own any vehicle. So students, here are the 10 families that doesn't have any vehicle. Number of total families 2400, and these type of families that doesn't have any vehicle are 10 in numbers. So students, in this way our answer is 10 over 2400. By cancelling out, we get 1 over 240. So students, here we have next similar part. You can do your own self. Here is the owing more than two vehicles and earning is 13,000 to 16,000. You can see from the table. These are the 13,000 to 16,000 monthly income, and above two vehicles are 25 in numbers. So students, you can do this. I am sharing the solution here, and here is the last part is the owing not more than one vehicle. Students, there is no compulsion how much salary, how much income that a family gain, but here is only one condition, that owing not more than one vehicle. So students, in this way we can observe here that family have no vehicle 0 and family have one vehicle, because there is condition that not more than one. So students, in this way total number of families are 2400, and we have to add up all these families. So in this way we get total of this is 2062. So students, required probability is 2062 over 2400. So by cancelling out, we get the result 1031 divided by 1200. So students, in this way today we have completed the 5 questions in this session. Hopefully आज के concepts questions आपको clear होंगे. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you like my video, then share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.